and today we're going to be opening this huge box. It's very beautiful. Oh, look, it has Go Project on the front. I wonder what's inside. Let's see. Let's open it. I wonder what's inside this box. Balloons! Awesome! Oh, look, a goodie bag. Let's see what's inside. A Mickey Mouse glow wand, a notepad, a pencil, some stickers, and some glow sticks. Look, a confetti blaster. And that's all that's inside the box. Oh, it looks like it's a fun birthday party. See you guys later. Bye!
Wow, it looks like a birthday party. How fun. If you've had a birthday party or if you've attended one, you know what a blast it can be. Well, sometimes there can be uncertainty or stress about birthdays, especially if a family is struggling to put food on the table. Guess what? We can help turn that uncertainty into joy by partnering with the Birthday Joy program. The Birthday Joy program's mission is to encourage a sense of self-worth and a feeling of hope to children living in crisis through the joy of birthday celebrations. The Birthday Joy program is a nonprofit dedicated to bringing birthday parties to children in homeless shelters, group homes, and other disadvantaged situations. Their mission statement includes John 15:11. These things I have spoken to you, so that my joy may be in you, and your joy may be complete. We can help with the birthday celebration by making birthday goodie bags for all the kids that attend the parties. We're excited that we can be generous and share the love of Jesus with others.